Hello everybody, welcome. Today we have a bisque kiln and let's see what I have for today. Okay, so
What's this?
Gosmo, what's his name? The guy from Sesame Street. Gonzo.
Let me
Nah.
see his nose.
Oh, no, it's just a joke. It's just sometimes I feel like doing, I don't know, crazy things. So that was one of my crazy things that I did. Okay. This is some sort of a flower that I thought of. I don't know. Another one. I made a hole in here so I can put like a skew.
Mm-hmm.
Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Oh, I think this one broke. But anyway, they're cute. Sometimes when I'm bored, I just do things that make no sense. This is going to be like a mobile.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to hang it nice. I'm going to make a video of my new outdoor studio, just so you can see it. Okay, this is one of those things that I don't know why I make, but I make them anyway. This, my daughter made this. I don't know what this for, but oh, also one of those things that I don't know why I make, but it's pretty. I'm actually gonna say something about this. This my late grandma. She used to knit, and she needed something like a tablecloth. It was beautiful, so I kept it. And this is what I do with it. Okay. Okay, let's take this one out first. This is a vase. So I can put all those crazy flowers that I make. I'm gonna put them right here. This I made. This is for this is for the kitchen, for the sponge. And this we have this like it's like a tall brush that I'm just gonna put like inside, and I think this is good enough. What do you guys think? What do you think?
Nice.
Nice?
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Useful. Okay. Next. Oh, this is another thing that I made. I'm going to show you what it is. Here. Take off my glasses. And I put them right here. And this is, what do you guys think? Yeah, it's not, well, yeah. This I'm going to put it next to my bed. Another mushroom. And this is something that my daughter made. This is for mobile stuff to hang. Another flower. Another something that I'm not sure why I made it. I don't know. Sometimes I like just to play with the clay. So I just make things. Okay. Yes. Next. A mug. And another mug. Like it?
Yep. Mm-hmm. Nice.
Nice. Okay. Let's put it here. Another one, another one. No, I make lots of mugs because sometimes they break and sometimes I give it like as gifts for people. Oh, inside. I was going to show you guys that I'm going to get like a piece of wood, maybe like something like that or something. And this is going to be for hanging all the the necklace. I have like necklaces that I actually make, and I'm gonna like hang it here, and then I can hang all my necklaces. And more, and more. Nice.
Pretty.
Pretty good. Yeah. Okay. Now. Oh. Like my daughter was waiting for this.
That's cute.
Yeah. This is actually going to be for oil because she puts olive oil on her face and she puts it like in a plastic container. So I said to her, that's, I'm just going to make something nicer. So this is, I like it.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yep. Maybe I should just, how many more? Oh, that's it. Okay. This, believe it or not, I made it for the toilet or for the bathroom. I'm going to put the brush here. So it's going to look like, I don't know, something different. Yep, something different. Here. And more mugs. And more mugs. And more mugs. Stop breaking them so I won't have to make so many mugs, but I like making mugs.
Yeah, beautiful.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
These are nice mugs.
Thank you. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, please comment. You can like if you like it, and subscribe and share. And see you from Cyprus. Bye. Thank you.